Did you know that pronouncing vowels perfectly and singing a powerful ballad comes with superheroic abilities? And no, it's not musical healing. These heroic powers are more in tune with one of the most sought-after answers on the internet: how to stop snoring. Yes, perfectly reciting A-E-I-O-U and belting those ballad high notes have the magical abilities to stop snoring. Snoring should be declared a global emergency. Many couples have reported loving their partners a little less when sleeping beside them and they're snoring. They find it disturbing, annoying, and downright irritating, which is why one of the top searches on Google and YouTube is how to stop snoring.